In the community setting, patients with myelofibrosis usually present in two different ways. You may suspect myelofibrosis based on the findings of enlarged spleen, although this is not present only in myelofibrosis. About 80% of the patients with myelofibrosis would have enlarged spleen. About 40% would also have enlarged liver. The other issue is anemia. Anemia by and large is present in most of the patients with myelofibrosis and develops to a significant extent over time. Presence of anemia with abnormal types of white cells in the blood or presence of the big spleen would guide someone to suspect presence of myelofibrosis.